Now friends, exercise 7.2, it's question number 6. If 1, 2, 4y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in the order find xy. ध्यान रखो बच्चों, पैरेललोग्राम एबीसीडी है। हमने एज्यूम किया लेट a12 be 4y cxy and d35 be the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. We have to find xy. अभी ध्यान रखो बच्चों, remember this table. ये टेबल को आपको याद रखना है। Here parallelogram, then after rhombus, then after rectangle, then after square. We have to remember this table with using the table for diagonals. The diagonals of parallelogram are bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other, not 90 and not are equal. 90 and equal or not. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, not at 90 and they are not equal. The diagonals of rhombus are bisect each other at 90 but they are not equal. The diagonals of rectangle bisect each other, not 90 but they are equal. The diagonals of square bisect each other at 90 and they are equal. यानी डायगोनल्स एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, इधर 90 पे लेंगे, एंगल 90 का नहीं बनाएंगे और इक्वल भी नहीं होंगे. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 but they are not equal. The diagonals of rectangle bisect each other but they are equal. The diagonals of square bisect each other at 90 and they are equal. I draw the diagram of each one. This is a parallelogram. A टेबल के लिए बच्चों, तो suppose we take PQRS, PR and QS bisect at O. So O is midpoint of OS and O is midpoint of PR. For rhombus, the diagonals are bisect each other. So O is the midpoint of PR and O is the midpoint of QS, and also they make here 90-degree angle. Now for rectangle, the diagonals are bisect each other but not 90, they are equal. Suppose I will take here ABCD. I take here ABCD, AC and BD bisect each other at O. So O is midpoint of AC and O is midpoint of BD. O is midpoint of AC and O is midpoint of BD. The diagonals are equal, but here is not the angle of 90, so I don't write anything at 90. Here is dash. दूसरी बात, इसके ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल होते हैं, इसके ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, its opposite sides are equal. Here the diagonals also equal, and last one the soup of square, the last one soup of square. Suppose PQRS is a square, the diagonals are bisect each other at 90, and the diagonals are also equal. Okay, now this is only for base. Now we look at the sum. Let A12 be 4y, CX6 and D35 be the vertex of parallelogram ABCD. Here is given parallelogram ABCD. ABCD. Coordinates of A are 1, 2, B 4y, CX6 and D 3, 5. They bisect each other at O. अगर O नहीं लिखते तो भी चलेगा. Here we write the diagonals of ABCD bisect each other. So midpoint of AC is equal midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is equal midpoint of BD. ध्यान रखो बच्चों, फिर से समझ लो. Here the diagonals of parallelogram ABCD are bisect each other. So we write coordinates of AC is equal coordinates of midpoint of AC is equal coordinates of midpoint of BC. These both are equal. So what we write in place of AC? 1 plus x by 2. 1 plus x by 2. इसके जो मिड पॉइंट है उसके x कोऑर्डिनेट. 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal 4 plus 3 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2. Here 1 plus x by 2, 8 by 2, 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now friends, we compare here the x coordinate are equal and the y coordinate are equal. x coordinate के साथ आपको x coordinate को कंपेयर करना है. 1 plus x by 2 is equal 7 by 2. 1 plus x by 2 is equal 7 by 2, and also 8 by 2 is equal y plus 5 by 2. 8 ऊपर जाएगा 2 2 कर, इसमें भी 2 ऊपर जाएगा 2 2 कर. Here 1 plus x is equal 7. x as it is, 7 as it is. देखो दोनों में से किसी का भी साइन चेंज नहीं किया है. This one we take that side, it became minus. X is equal 6. Similar, 8 is equal y plus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal y. So 3 is equal y. Hence, we find the values of x is equal 6 and y is equal 3. तो बच्चों ऐसे हमको ये सम सॉल्व करना है. थैंक यू, एंजॉय इट.